Hey guys, welcome back to 2 Minute Coder. Today we're doing a HackerRank problem, which is called minimax sum. So just take a moment to pause the video and read the question. All right. So reading this question, we can understand that our input array is always going to be 5 integers, right? And we need to sum exactly 4 of these 5 integers, meaning that we are going to have 3 integers that are common in both of these sums, because our minimum sum is going to be the 4 least integers, and our max sum is going to be the 4 greatest integers, right? But there are going to be 3 integers that are going to be shared within these two. So all we have to do is find the maximum integer. Let's call this j the minimum integer. Right? And we have to remove k, remove j, and then compute the sum of whatever else is remaining. So let's just call this sum, or let's call this remaining is equal to the sum of this array. And then all we want to do is we want to print k plus remaining, or max sum is going to be k plus remaining, min sum is going to be k plus remaining, right? And then we print max sum, oh my god, and then we also print min sum. Let's run this code. Oh, sorry. Had to be a j and has to be printed in one line. And it has to be the other way. Now it should be fine. So we can submit this code and all the test cases pass. Great. So thank you guys for watching, and subscribe for more.